Hello everyone. Today we are in conversation with Dr. Shalu Garg, who is BAMS MD in alternate medicine with a specialization in Panchkarma. She has 20 plus years of experience in Ayurveda, and today she's here with all of us to let us know a lot of things about this winter season and solve our queries that are commonly in our minds, ringing our minds all the time. So welcome Dr. Shalu Garg to our Facebook page and this interview.
Yeah, hi. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot. And it's a quite good topic for the discussion to remain healthy and active lifestyle. Yeah, thank you.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Thank you so much. Yes, definitely winter season is the hot topic right now. But this cold of the winter season troubles almost people of all age groups, be it babies or children, women, men, old, senior citizens, all types of people. No one remains unaffected by this cold. So, our first question to you is that with this cold comes a lot of dryness in the skin. What would
Hmm.
you suggest our viewers for this skin dryness? What kind of oils they can apply, or what are the home remedies mainly that based on Ayurveda can you suggest for people who are watching this?
Yeah, basically, if we'll talk about in Ayurveda, due to cold winters, our moisture gets away and it creates dryness. And due to cold, also our water intake also become less.
Right.
So this is another reason to create the dryness. These are the two basic reasons.
Mm-hmm.
Those so that in this to avoid the dryness, first of all we should keep drinking water on regular interval, or instead of taking cold water it's better to drink warm water. Keep on sip by sip every means warm water, but don't create anything of dehydration, so that skin loses its moisture itself.
Mm-hmm.
So this happens with the hair also, because in scalp also it becomes dryness and the hair becomes frizzy, means all over it creates some dryness.
Correct.
So to lower the dryness, to stay away from the dryness, we should keep on drinking water, number one, and number two, oiling is must. We
Okay.
should add some ghee or some oils according to your native place from where you belong to. That if we should add ghee, or in winter, if you're asking about winter, then almond oil is the best. It
Okay.
gives us protein also, it gives us energy also, right? And this almond oil we can put in nose also, so it will also increase our immunity. This oiling increase the immunity, body luxure, skin luxure, and the dryness also. So these two things are the common things that we don't do, and nowadays nobody wants to apply oil, so this is the major reason for the dryness.
So by when you say applying oil, you mean applying it on our skin and massaging our skin and body with that
Yes,
oil, as
massaging
well
our
as
skin
applying
as
it.
well, and so intake also.
Okay.
Intake is also equally important.
Mm-hmm. So we
And you
can.
can massage with any oil, like if you have coconut oil or sesame oil or
Mhm.
mustard oil, any oil, with any oil is must. And try to avoid any soaps that create more dryness.
Right, right.
It's better to, after massaging, shower with a bit curd, or with a little bit of milk.
Mhm.
Especially in the kids, we should make shower them with the curd or with the milk instead of soaps,
Okay,
because soap again it will take out all the moisture.
right, right. And when you say we have to increase our water intake and take warm water, these days there is a lot
Hmm.
of trend of putting herbs in water. Like some people will put maybe basil leaves or any kind
Hmm.
of herbs they will put, or cucumber or a slice of orange. So would you recommend
Hmm.
that? Is it good for winters also? And is it good to be done on a daily basis?
Yes, in this because mostly what happened, the people drinking on green tea types
Right.
to keep body warm. Green tea or some lemon tea, or some, there are various variety of teas, basil tea, mint tea.
Yeah.
Instead of get the ready made teas, it's better to make our own decoction.
Okay.
Like best is nowadays raw haldi is available, easily available.
Mhm.
So we can add that, we can create that turmeric, we can create the turmeric in water and
Mhm.
boil the water. That water is good. Else we can boil that cinnamon, basil, and cardamom.
Okay.
And so these things are good to take, and it's good to take in the milk also. boil these things in the milk one by one,
Mhm.
and that milk should be consumed, and it will increase our immunity also. It will give us body heat also, protect us from the cold.
Oh,
And nowadays, this COVID season is there, so
yeah,
we'll protect from that. Will give us best protection from that cold cough also, because cold cough is the tendency to create our this immunity get weakened,
yes,
and we are more prone to get the infection.
that's right, that's right.
So this is the good things to get these things to be boiled, and these things can be consumed in winter only because they have hot potency.
Correct.
We can't consume these things in the summers.
That's
So
right.
it's good to consume these things in the winter only, and it will keep on having these warm things, and it will protect us from that stiffness also.
Yeah. So we were just asking Dr. Shalu about how we can prevent our skin from getting dry during this winter season, and she gave
Hmm.
us really good tips. The first one and the most important one, which we usually tend to overlook, is to increase our water intake. And she also suggested that it's better if we take warm water instead of regular cold water, because that will be very very helpful and beneficial in this winter season. Apart from that, she's also told us about oils that we can use, like almond oil, sesame oil, coconut oil, and we can use it for our massages or applying it to our hair. As well as she also suggested to increase the intake of ghee and oil in our diet. This will
Yes.
help us to fight with skin dryness that comes in winter season.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Dr. Shalu, for your answer. And stay tuned with us on our Facebook page when we come up with another nice question with Dr. Shalu related to the winter season.
Yeah. Thank you.